let's say we have some information here with our favorite color. We took a vote, and here's how the class voted. We voted on these 5 colors. And what we want to do is we want to insert a graph of some nature. So I'm just going to highlight the information I have, including the titles up top. Go to Insert, a Chart. Click on Chart. In this case, it comes up a pie chart. But notice over here to the right, we can change if we want to a bar graph. And you can scroll down. Now, let's say that we really didn't want to use purple. We don't like that. Notice here it says data range. It says, hey, we're looking at from A2 to B7. That's where the data. Let's say we only want to go to B6. Hit return. Notice it takes the color purple out of there. If we go back and let's say we change this, now we'll notice it does have it back to B7. We can again change it just to B6, which just notice that you can do the data range there however you want. Do notice that the colors here, we got to be a little careful. It says yellow 16%, but that's green. If I click in that little pie slice, it says, hey, here's yellow, here's the color we want to use with it. Well, we might want to change that to a yellow. And the green, we can click on that pie slice and it says green. We probably want to change it to a green. It does have red and blue correct by luck. But you can change things over here. If you just click on them, you can change. So that's just a little bit with doing your charts, and you can then take it and you can move it however you want in your spreadsheet. And again, you can use multiple different types of graphs and charts.